Hey, can I tell you something?
Sorry, what was that?
Could you say that again?
Sure. I didn't hear you clearly.
No problem. Could you speak a little slower?
Of course.
The meeting time changed.
Oh, really? What time is it now?
It's at 3 p.m. Just to make sure, 3 p.m.?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, now I understand.
Great. Thanks for repeating it.
Anytime.
See you at 3.
See you then.